Welcome to Little Lessons. At Learning Resources, we know small skills can make a big difference to how your child settles into reception. That's why we're sharing simple tips shaped by years of working with parents and educators to help get your little one big school ready.
Thanks for joining us for another little lesson. Today, we're looking at how to help your little one compare numbers. Comparing quantities of objects can help children move away from just repeating number names to actually understanding their real amounts in context. Reinforcing this at home can be as simple as teaching the difference between more and less. Just start by asking simple questions during playtime or dinner. For example, look at 2 plates of fruit and ask, who has more blueberries? Or look at the toys on the carpet and ask, are there fewer red cars or blue cars? You could even make it into a game. When tidying up, ask your child who can collect the most blocks. Playing together with toys like mathling cubes is also a great visual way to help your child see when one number is bigger or smaller than another. All of these little activities help your child to start understanding the numbers in front of them. Plus, it helps to build that early maths vocabulary that they'll need to thrive in those early days at school. See you next time for another little lesson.
For more practical tips to help your child get big school ready, visit learningresources.co.uk.